In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to add Wi-Fi to your control center on an iPhone running iOS 18. To begin, swipe left until you reach the app library. In the search bar at the top, type Shortcuts and tap on the Shortcuts app icon. Inside the Shortcuts app, tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Set up your Wi-Fi action by tapping the search bar, typing Wi-Fi and selecting Set Wi-Fi from the list. By default, this action turns Wi-Fi on. To change it, tap Turn and select Toggle to allow both on and off with one tap. Customize your shortcut by tapping the downward arrow at the top. Then select Rename and type Wi-Fi. Next, choose an icon by tapping the downward arrow again. Select in Choose icon and setting both the color and style. After customizing, tap Done twice to complete the shortcut creation. Now, add the Wi-Fi toggle to your control center. Swipe down from the top right corner to open control center. Tap the plus button in the upper left corner. Then tap Add the control. In the search bar, type Shortcuts. Hit Search and select Shortcut Controls option. A list of available shortcuts will appear. Find your newly created Wi-Fi shortcuts and tap it. After adding the shortcut, you can drag and adjust its position in the control center. Once satisfied with the placement, tap any empty space to finish. You have successfully added the Wi-Fi toggle shortcut. To use it, simply tap the icon to toggle Wi-Fi on or off. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.